Very good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are good. Yes? Yes. Okay, tell me today's date. Today is 27th, 10th month, 21. Yes, 2021. The day is Wednesday. Yes. Today we have computer science. Yes, children? Yes. Okay. Then, till where we completed? Lesson 3 we completed. Yes, no? Yes. Take out your computer textbook. We'll start new lesson, okay? Lesson 4, let's learn operating system. Yes, about operating system we are going to learn in this lesson, okay? Page number 27. Take out. Yes. Let's learn operating system lesson 4. Hi kids, I am back. Do you remember which part is called the heart of the computer? Do you remember, children? Which part is called the heart of the computer? That is operating system. Yes. Let us start. We already know about various parts of computer. Yes, we already discussed about the various parts of computer. Yes, yes. An operating system is the most important thing that run on a computer. The operating system is the most important things that run on a computer. Between the hardware and the application software lies the operating system. What is operating system? Between the hardware and the application software. Okay, that is the operating system. Then, in this lesson, what we are going to learn? We will learn operating system and its types. Okay, then different parts of desktop. In this lesson, we are going to learn operating system and its types. Okay, then different parts of a desktop. Okay, then do you know that you and your computer speak different language? Do you know? Do you know, children? Yes. But your computer speak different languages. Yes, it does not speak Spanish, then Swedish or Chinese. It speaks in ones and zero. Do you know, children? It speaks only one or zeros. Okay. We can't communicate directly with the computer. You know. Yes, we can't. We can't communicate directly with the computer. Here the operating system comes in. Here only operating system is coming. Okay. It is a system software. This operating system is a system software. Okay. The operating system is the program that let us talk to the computer without knowing its language. What is? The operating system is a program. Yes, this is the program operating system that let's talk to the computer without knowing its language. Without knowing its language also we can communicate. Then it tells the computer how to do its work and run its function. These days the computer comes already loaded with the operating system. Then operating system takes what? Aspects input from output devices like the mouse or keyboard. Yes, that input from output devices like mouse or keyboard. Then send output to output devices like the display monitor or printer. Yes, send the output to output devices like display monitor or printer. Okay, then turn next page. Then next step. Identify the peripherals devices. Then handling storage data. This operating system takes. Yes. Then next what? Handling storage data. Okay. Then loads the application software. Then handles system problems. Okay. Operating system takes that input from our input devices like mouse or keyboard. Then send output to output devices like the displays, monitor or printer. Then identify peripheral devices. Then handling storage data. Then what? Loads the application software. Then handles system problems. Okay. Then next common operating system. Then next we are going to learn about common operating system. What are the common operating system? Okay. Nowadays many operating systems are available. Yes, nowadays many operating system we have available. Okay. The three most commons are Microsoft Windows, Mac OS X and Linux. These are the commonly operating system. Okay. Yes, what are they? Microsoft Windows. Okay. Mac OS X, then Linux. Then operating system use graphical user interface. What? Graphical user interface. It is pronounced Googie. Okay, it is pronounced Googie. Will pronounce. It comes with menu, icons and taskbars. Yes, it comes with the menus, then icons and taskbars. A GUI help us use the mouse to point to click on icons or buttons on the screen. Then next, different operating systems have different GUI. Okay, different software systems have different GUI. Let us have a look at the different operating system. First one, Microsoft Windows. Detailing we can learn. Okay, Microsoft Windows. Yes, Microsoft created the Windows operating system in 1985. Yes, when this Microsoft Windows created? That is in 1985. Okay, 1985. Over the years, Microsoft has continuously updated and related many variants of Windows. As of September 2016, the most recent version of Windows is Windows 10. Is most recent window is the Windows 10. Is before we are using Windows 7. Now recently we are using Windows 10. Okay. Other recent releases are Windows 8. Yes, Windows 8 also we used more than Windows 7. Okay. Windows is the most popular operating system. Windows is the most popular operating system. Okay. Recently we are using Windows 10. Okay. See, you can see Windows operating system. See here. Then next, do you know the first variants of Windows 1 then 0.0 was related in 1985. 2 years after the Two years after the Intel announcement made by Microsoft about their new OS. OS means operating system. Okay, then turn next page. Next we have Mac OS X. Mac OS X. What is that? Mac OS was created by Apple in 1984 as part of Macintosh operating system. This is created by Apple company. Okay, in when 1984. It is the second most widely used desktop operating system after Windows. Next, Windows after this only very popular operating system. Okay, Mac OS X. Then Italy, it was named, Italian people it is named Mac OS X unit until 2002 when it was changed to OS. Yes, in 2020 it was changed in OS X. In 2016 with the releases of Mac OS 12 Syria, the name was changed from OS X to Mac OS. Okay, see. Then next we have Linux. This also will complete. Okay. Linux. What is Linux? See, it is a family of open sources operating system. That is, it is the family of the open sources operating system. It is unique among the popular operating system. Open sources means that the operating system is free and available to people for modifying. It is free to operate into the people. It is available to operate the people in free. Okay, that is the modified. Okay, this is Linux. Yes, children, I think today till here enough. Yes, then do you know? Yes, till here enough, I think so. Page number 29 till here we completed. Yes, children. Yes. Then your homework. Nothing, children. This, what you want to write means you want to write common operating system. Only 3. Microsoft Windows, Mac OS X, then Linux. Common operating system. What are the common operating system? These 3. Yes, no? Microsoft Windows, Mac OS X, then Linux. These 3 you should write. Then read the lesson also. Okay, then only you can understand. Yes, children? Yes. Then today this much enough. Then complete the homework and send it in the group for correction. We will meet you in the next class. Bye.